Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Sim's Kitchen. Today we are sharing a truly simple but delicious one-dish recipe, everyone's favorite egg fried rice. To start, we'll mix one egg with some leftover rice. This helps to give the rice a nice texture and flavor. Next, we'll heat up enough oil in a pan. Then, we'll add in 150 grams of beaten eggs, scramble the eggs until it's almost set. Once the eggs are almost cooked, we'll add in 1 heaped tablespoon of minced garlic and stir fry for a few seconds until fragrant. Add the rice and egg mixture to the eggs. Finally, we'll add some salt to taste, stir fry for a few more seconds. If you like, you can also add some chopped spring onions for extra flavor and crunch. And there you have it, a quick and easy fried rice with eggs and garlic that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. Serve it hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.